Good morning everyone, welcome to the Philippines. In this video, what are you looking at? The place called Salagdoong beach. This beach famous for cliff jumping. In my opinion, this is the one of the best place to do a cliff jump. In this video, I am going to share my experience when I was there. So get ready. After I enjoyed the Kembuhai waterfalls, me and JR drove to Salagdoong beach. It was an open road and a sunny day. There was no traffic. We got the whole road for ourselves. We are almost traveling 80 km per hour in the middle of the road. No one cares. This high-speed bike ride definitely give me a joy. Look at the beautiful sunny day. No trafficking, nobody's there. Only us in the road. The driving time was only 15 minutes. There is a lot of scenic view in between, so the 15 minutes passed by very quickly. On the way, the coastline view was very amazing and mind-blowing. Now almost like 1 o'clock, we arrived at the Salagdoong beach. Lucky enough, it is a weekday, so not much crowd over here. So I recommend you guys, if you want to beat the local crowd, you go in a weekday. There was a couple of restaurants over here, which is going to be expensive because this place is very famous, so the price will be a little bit more than usual. And you have a shelter over here. In that place, you can eat food and you can take rest. And this place don't have an entrance fee. Such a beautiful place. The water was crystal clear. At the same time, currently it's a low tide. You can see the sliding over there. On the same place, you have a cliff jumping. No food, no drinking on the shore. So please don't do that. When you do, you have a fine for 1000 pesos. For the cliff jumping, you need to walk left side about 100 meters. This is the safety information. If it is red flag, no swimming. Yellow flag, you can swim. At the same time, you have a lifeguard. So I hope for the yellow flag, that means you have a lifeguard on duty. At the same time, safe to swim. There is a small bridge. You need to walk across through that. And this place looks like a viewpoint with a small garden. Lucky enough, when I was there, not much tourists and not so crowd. If you like this video so far, please like the video and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. So there is a couple of jump over here. The first one is 10-meter jump. That was red flag, so we cannot jump. I think because of low tide, this place not have enough deep, so you cannot use this jump. So only the available one is the highest one, 15 meter with the yellow flag. So we have a lifeguard on duty, so safe to swim.
You jump in?
Yeah, I'm going now. Whatever happens, happens.
Do you want me to record you? Oh, he's doing it.
I was totally underestimated this 15-meter jump. See how sloppy I jumping over there. The fall was very quick. I can't even hold my GoPro steadily. I was so surprised. My first jump was very sloppy. I was so embarrassed. I didn't do the jump properly. At the same time, my video is not that good. So I need to do the second time. The water was so cold, very refreshing. At the same time, it was deep enough. After jumping, the climbing up is a little bit hard than usual. There is no proper steps to go up. You need to climb a little bit. I met a girl. Her name is Bella. You can see her in this video. She wanted to jump. She had a starting trouble, so I encouraged her a little bit. Go.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay, don't worry. I have all the time. She want to somebody push her down. Don't worry. No pushing. Go ahead. You can do it.
5 minutes.
So I made a deal with her. The deal was I jump first, she will follow me. I'm going for the second time. That was a perfect jump. So here is my advice for you guys. Whenever you do cliff jumping, you need to drop straight like a pencil. That's the only way you can avoid the water damage. Otherwise, that's going to be badly injured and painful. After that, I took some Instagram shot for her social media. That was very beautiful. I'm happy to meet her. She was very friendly and very sportive. Look at the beach. It was a beautiful place to go there. My opinion, if you go in the evening, you can have a very good sunset at the same time high tide. When it was high tide, you can use both the cliff jumping and the water slide also, and you can squeeze more out of this place. That would be great. If it is a perfect sunny day like this, the sunset will be awesome from here. The place like this, the experience gives you, you're never going to forget in your life. I already traveled more than 100 islands in Philippines. This is the highest cliff jump I did so far, and I'm really happy about it. My record is 15 meters. It has a beautiful beach on the both sides, so you can choose both the place to swim. I have a two advice for you guys. The first one is, when you do the cliff jumping, you need to drop straight like a pencil so you can avoid the pain. The second one is, when you go there, you choose weekdays so you can beat the crowd. There is not much people, you can enjoy the place for yourself. That's going to be awesome. This place had a good restaurant with fantastic food, amazing beach with a crystal clear water. At the same time, you have a water slide and cliff jumping. What else you needed? Everything available. So you need to bring your family or you need to go yourself and enjoy the beach. If you are visiting Siquijor Island, this is the best place to visit. The beach was so clean and beautiful. I'm highly recommend this place. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I see you guys on the next video.